This is day two of 10 cent a day, a channel where I try to get 10 cent a day out the stock market. Today I traded ALMS. Uh, I didn't get 10 cent, I got 50 cent out of it. These usually once the stocks get closer to 20, they move. The higher the stocks are, the uh, the bigger the jumps when they move. Anyway, you can see it's 7:30 this morning. We had a nice pop here, and it faded, got under VWAP, but it didn't break. It didn't go under half of this candle. So it held pretty good, but it was still under VWAP. I actually started looking at it, and these two candles, or around these two candles, it was having a hard time breaking 650. It was in between 1650. It was in between $16 and $16.50. And I got in this candle at 8:36, and what happened was it squeezed pretty fast, and it skipped past 1650, which was my entry, and jumped to 70 and 75, and then it went to 89, and it was at 17. Sorry about that. I'm working out in the field. Um, so by the time I got into it, it was 1720. I got in at 1720 on this candle, and I got out at 841 at 1770. So I got 50 cent out. I can show it looks better on the one. So you can see it got above VWAP, it popped up, and then it went sideways. And this is what I was talking about in between 16 and 1650 here. I was waiting to see if it was going to pop up. I was pretty sure it was, but sometimes when you're this close to VWAP, they'll reject. Uh, but this is that big candle. It squeezed pretty fast, and I didn't get it until 1720. I held until 841, which is this candle, and that had a high of 1780, but I got out at 1770. So that was the 50 cent move. This was a big candle here. This went from 1635 to low of 1635 to a high of 1743. So that's more than $1 just in that 1 minute candle. What made this stock so interesting, even though it was kind of pricey, is it had a blue sky setup on the daily. Um, I was pretty confident in it when I saw it, especially after I saw it holding here. I was pretty confident this was going to go. I'm actually surprised it only got to 22. Um, I'm very surprised that it didn't go high after the open. Looks like at the open it dropped and then it's sold off the rest of the day. So, uh, good trade. I liked it. The only thing is I was a little late on my entry. I chased it again. But besides that, I think this was a good trade. I need more of these.